Welcome. Today we're going to talk about 10 assets that are making people rich. But before we get started, we want to give a definition of what an asset is. So, asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. Liabilities, on the other hand, are anything that takes money out of your pocket. So, number one, cash. Wealthy people keep cash in order to get access to opportunities. An example of opportunity would be a foreclosure. Because they have the cash, they would be able to pay cash for that foreclosure. Rich people save cash and they are offered better financing and better pricing because they have the access to the cash. So essentially, people that don't need the money are able to get better financing and better interest rates for the things that they buy. So that's number one, cash. Number two, real estate. So buying rental properties allows you to get cash flow for the rest of your life. Money is coming in every month. Also, with real estate, there is an appreciation. So, for example, a $100,000 house, if you hold on to it long enough, it will eventually turn into $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, and on and on. So you experience appreciation with real estate. The price is constantly going up. There are different areas of real estate to include residential, commercial, office, land. There are also other things like storage facilities, for example. So rental properties would be considered assets because they put money into your pocket. On the other hand, the actual house that you live in would be considered a liability because it's taking money out of your pocket when you pay mortgage every month. However, you are still building what is called appreciation by owning a home. You're building equity and you're essentially building your net worth by owning real estate. Number three, stocks. So owning stocks is a way of having an asset class. You essentially own a percentage of a business. So this includes any kind of stocks, and there are different kinds of stocks. You can check out the dividend aristocrats, for example. There are some stocks that will give dividends and other stocks will not give dividends, but they are essentially building your wealth because you chose to buy stocks and you chose to hold on to them for the long term. Number four, mutual funds and index funds. Mutual funds and index funds are more diversified. They give you a more diversified portfolio. There is a better chance of it performing in that in the event that a company goes bankrupt, they will remove that company from the fund and replace a better performing company into that fund. Some examples of index funds would include Fidelity, Vanguard S&P 500, Schwab S&P 500, to name a few. S&P 500 are the best 500 performing companies. They give an average return of 9.8% on average. So this is the fourth asset class that is making people rich. To include other asset classes, you have number 5, which is patents. Patents certify you as the inventor. So patents are for people interested in inventing new things, and it certifies you as the inventor. So the company has to pay you to use your patent. In essence, patent is another asset class because it brings money into your pocket, certifying you as the inventor, that you are the only one that has the right to use the product or allow someone else to use the product. You own the patent. Number 6, trademarks. Trademarks protect your symbols, your words, and your phrases. And you will recognize trademarks when you see them. Some prime examples are Apple. You recognize Apple when you see it. They are protecting their symbol. Coca-Cola. You recognize Coca-Cola when you see it. They are protecting their symbol. So trademark is an asset, protecting your symbols, protecting your words, protecting your phrases. Number 7, commodities. Commodities are another asset class. An example of commodities would be gold, oil, crypto, luxury cars, art. So these are some examples of commodities. This is a different type of asset class, and it is a way to diversify your portfolio. If you decide to buy gold, if you decide to buy oil, if you decide to buy crypto, if you decide to buy art, or if you decide to buy luxury cars, you are getting into the area of commodities. And art generally outperforms the S&P. Number 8, you have the area of royalty. You have books, songs, digital courses, content. So basically getting into the area of information, selling information in some form through books, songs, digital courses, or content creation. Number 9, you have royalties. Royalties will pay you on a consistent basis. An example of a royalty is a TV show and having reruns of a television show pay you. Number 10 are different types of business models. Examples would be Spotify, creating an app, streaming services, Airbnb. These are some examples of business models which are assets. If you like the channel, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. If you're interested in learning how to make money online, check out the link in the description and or the pinned link. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.